Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to play games while downloading other games on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log into your account. Once you're logged in and on your main dashboard, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the window. You'll see a menu option labeled Steam. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. This will open up Steam's main settings window where you can customize various aspects of how the platform operates. Once the settings window opens, look at the left panel where you'll see several different categories. Navigate to the Downloads section and click on it. This is where Steam manages all your download preferences, including speed limits and region settings. More importantly for what we're doing today, this is where you can enable simultaneous downloading and gaming. Now scroll down through the download settings until you locate an option that says Allow downloads during gameplay. This feature is exactly what we need. Right beside this text, you'll see a toggle switch. Click on it to turn it on. Enabling this option tells Steam that you want to continue downloading games in the background even while you're actively playing another game. By default, Steam pauses downloads when you launch a game to ensure maximum performance, but with this setting enabled, you can multitask and make better use of your time. With that setting now activated, you're all set to start playing your Steam games while other titles download in the background. This is incredibly useful when you have a large game downloading that might take hours and you don't want to just sit there waiting. Instead, you can jump into one of your already installed games and enjoy some gaming time while your new purchase downloads simultaneously. To start playing, navigate back to the upper left corner of the Steam window and click on Library. This will display your entire collection of installed and available games. From here, simply click on the game you want to play, and Steam will launch it while continuing your downloads in the background. You'll notice your download progress continuing in the bottom section of the Steam window, even while your game is running. And that's it. You've successfully configured Steam to allow downloads during gameplay, meaning you can now enjoy your favorite games without interrupting your download queue. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.